Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious brownies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt enhances all the flavors beautifully. Now let's get mixing. Start by melting 1 cup of unsalted butter. Once melted, stir in 1½ cups of granulated sugar until well combined. Next, beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in your dry ingredients until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Pour your rich brownie batter evenly into the prepared 8 by 8-inch baking pan. Make sure the surface is smooth. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Patience is key for the perfect brownie. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This step is crucial for achieving that desirable fudgy texture and for easy, clean slicing. After cooling, cut them into 16 squares. Enjoy your delicious homemade brownies, perhaps with a scoop of ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.